My name is Cedric Greenway, and I am based out of Atlanta, Georgia. Before this class, I would say, I'm not really sure. I mean, it was always something. You know, it was something either I was too much. It was too much, or maybe it was the opening beat or the ending beat. It was something in the beginning and in the end that kind of threw me in the beginning. And so with this class that I've taken from you, I mean, you've opened my eyes to a whole lot of things. I mean, a whole lot of movements, a whole lot of stage directions. It's crazy. Without the class, I wouldn't have been able to do it. I'm telling you. Look, I was booking a lot of things, a lot of commercials, a lot of, I booked a lot of TV shows too, but it was always something missing though. I mean, always something missing. I just couldn't put my finger on it, right? Something, I know you don't supposed to just judge yourself according to, your other friends that's being successful and booking a lot, but it was I mean, what was I missing? I couldn't put my finger on it. I knew I was good, but it was something that was off. The stage direction, the movements. Oh, it was like you just gave me the keys to the industry. Before then, I wasn't doing stage direction. I would read, I'd do my script analysis, but I was pretty much, still on camera, because all my acting coaches would just say, still movements, don't really, stay within the frame. So you really just hone, you try to focus on still, because you still don't know, all the keys and everything, but the stage movements, oh my gosh, some of the stuff you said do, that you can do, I never thought you could do it. Like the stopping the camera, sitting down, standing, I had never thought about that. Never, buddy. But now, let me get an audition with that in there. That's the first thing I'm gonna throw in there. Wham! You just changed the whole industry for us. The whole industry, literally. Just that one module changed it. My description of how you coach, I have to say it's totally different from some of the coaches that I've had. You take your time. It seems, you have no problem sharing the information. A lot of coaches, they'll give you so much to keep you coming back. All right. And with you, it's like you break it down step by step, follow these directions, go home, practice it, come back, we'll talk about it. I've never had a coach do that. They come in class, they give you directions and whatever, and then they on to the next client. On to the next customer. It seemed like you actually care about the actor. So you take your time and you explain in each module, step by step, and what to do to become a better actor. I had confidence, but taking this course it was like an extra boost. To be honest, I said, okay, well, all right, because I've taken so many classes, right? I have, and when I go to classes, I can sit and I can pick through who throwing fluff at me, right? I can pick through it. So, but here, I'm like, this is interesting. This is different, and what it's different. And what I find amazing as well is how you allow us to download the information so you can go back and review it. I've never had that in any class. They don't give you any kind of material. Maybe some handouts or something like that, but They don't give you any videos, nothing to take back with you after you finish taking these workshops or these classes. So when the class is over, what happens? I mean, you can't review. You just got to go off memory and notes that you take. But this right here is right here. I can go back and review. I can go back and look at stage direction. I can go back and look at script analysis. I can go back and look at all that stuff. It's crazy. It's perfect. To an actor having a little doubt about online classes, I mean, it's quite natural to have it, but I would say give this a chance. You'll be surprised on what you really will learn and what you really can keep after you finish your classes. It's no other class. It's literally no other class out there like this. And it's something else I want to say. I don't know if I should say it, but I'm gonna say it. All right, I'm gonna say it. All right, for the black actors, I'm sorry. For the black actors, hey, you got another black actor who has broken this system down for you, and they have literally put this in perspective for you, and she's letting you know how the industries work. She's giving you all of this information, and she done been through a whole lot. You know it, and she's just opening herself up, and she's letting everybody absorb what she's learned, and for a black actor, that's encouraging for me. I mean, I said, wow. I mean, because you don't really see any black coaches online, and you don't see it, and you get empowered seeing it. And I know I was hyped up. I was telling everybody, all my Facebook friends, please, buddy, please, you better get on this online class and quit playing. Quit playing. This is for real. You want to really know. You want to really learn. You want to hear it from somebody that literally done broke the code. It's the class for y'all experienced actors. Like, because I'm an experienced actor. I've booked a lot of stuff, not as much as you, Christine, but I have booked a lot of stuff, and so quite naturally you're going to say, okay, you're going to look at the room, the book, the Bookmore TV room, and you're going to look at all of the members, and you're going to look at, I did, because I IMDb'd the people that was in our group. I sure did. And I was trying to see what kind of work they've done, and you're going to have this feeling, right? Put that aside. Put it aside, because it's always something you're going to learn. I don't care what kind of class you take. It's always something you're going to learn, but this class is special. It's special. You get to download, and that's my biggest thing. You get to download the entire class and go back and review and review and review. You don't get that in any other class. No class. I started in 2011. I have no material that an instructor or coach gave me and said, hey, look, this is, go back and review this. I have nothing. This is the first class I've ever taken online. This is the first class I've ever taken that allowed us to keep the material. Because I think that this class really wants you to win. I think the other classes, the other coaches, I'm not knocking them, but I think they just want to build, I would say, customers, really. Keep them coming back. Hook them, keep them coming back. This class isn't like that.